Hello friends! If you've always wanted to get into the world of graphic design but didn't know where to start, the Adobe Illustrator for Everyone, Design Like a Pro course is exactly what you need. This course is designed to teach beginners from scratch to advanced levels in the powerful Adobe Illustrator software. The actual price of this course with a 35% discount is around €13. But with our special discount you can get this course for free. Special discount for a limited time. So don't miss the opportunity. To sign up and start learning, go to couponfall.com now and start the course at a special discount. And get the course for free. Note that there are only 4 days left of the discount on this course. By the way, the discount coupon has been applied automatically here. Your path to success begins with couponfall.com. Start today. To find the course in its Android app, you can also go to the design category. Click on the search field and type the course title in the title field. And click on the search option. This course is also available for free in the Android app and you can use it. If you are interested in using other free and legal Udemy courses, you can check out other sections of couponfall.com or go to the All Coupons section and search for the course you want. Or go to different categories. If you found the video useful, you can share it with your friends so that they can also access such tutorials. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to us. Have a nice day.